First, select a good container with lot of drainage holes at the bottom to plant your money plant. Now we will prepare the coco peat. I have taken the homemade coco peat here and I am going to fill it into a container. Coco peat is a very good medium for growing the money plants. I will show you the update. And now I am going to add a little bit of dried cow dung powder into the coco peat. Dried cow dung powder is also a very good fertilizer that will make your money plant to grow faster. Now what you have to do is you have to mix these two ingredients very well. After mixing, now we can prepare the money plant for planting. You can plant a small money plant cutting into the container. While you are preparing the cutting, make sure to cut from the node region of your money plant. Okay, now our potting mix and the money plant cutting both are ready. Now I am going to fill the container with the potting mix of the coco peat and the cow dung powder. Okay, now we can plant the money plant cutting directly into the potting mix. After planting the cutting into the coco peat, you can keep it in indoors or outdoors. While you are placing the cutting in the outdoors, you should place the cutting wherever you are getting sufficient amount of shade. You don't have to place them under direct sunlight, and you should water it for at least once in a day. Okay friends, this is how you can grow money plant faster using coco peat. Hope you like the video. Please hit that like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.